Rapid flashing, chimney installation with plain tiles. Rapid flashing can be used instead of lead on the majority of pitched roof applications. The unrivaled speed and ease of installation enables standard flashing details to be completed up to twice as quickly as with lead, offering a viable and safer alternative to traditional methods. Cut a length of rapid flashing so that it extends beyond the side of the chimney by at least 65 mm on each side. The flashing should also extend over slates to give a minimum of 90 mm. The upstand should be a minimum of 65 mm, or to the first brick joint, whichever is the greater. Measure out 15 mm from the corner of the chimney up to the external corner of rapid flashing and cut. Fold the material round the corner of the chimney and into the brickwork. Peel off the protective strip and stick in place. Use a roller to ensure a good adhesion to the surfaces. Cut a piece of rapid flashing 300 mm long to finish off the front apron. Mark out 15 mm from the corner of the chimney, then draw a line vertically down the line of the tiles. Cut this piece out. Mould the 15 mm return around the front of the chimney, then use a roller to firmly press together and form a bond. Fix a plain tile over the apron. Using a 140 mm wide by 195 mm long piece of rapid flashing, install the soakers ensuring they cover the tile by a minimum of 120 mm. The soaker upstand should be at least 60 mm and 65 mm side lap. Form into the brickwork and stick down. Continue like this until the abutment is complete. For the step flashing, measure out a piece of 280 mm wide rapid flashing so it extends about 40 mm beyond the back of the chimney and 100 mm in front. Measure 65 mm from the bottom and draw a line, the water line. Nothing must be cut below this mark. Mark the top of the brickwork and take the line across to your water line. Join the top of the line up to the bottom of the next line so it looks like steps. Mark another line 25 mm above the horizontal lines. This will be your cut line. Once you have cut out the sections, fold the 25 mm into the brickwork, then use the roller to make sure everything is laid flat and stuck down. To weather the back gutter, cut a piece of rapid flashing 260 mm long and cut this piece in half, following the line of the butyl strip. Take these pieces and fold them up to the brick joint being used, or a minimum of 100 mm. Fold around the side of the chimney the width of the butyl. Cut a piece of rapid flashing long enough to extend beyond the chimney either side by 65 mm. Measure in 10 mm from the outer brickwork and draw a line vertically and cut. Ensure the tiling fillet is in place to form the back gutter. Cut and form around and down the tiles and form into the brick joints as before. You will need to add another piece of rapid flashing to extend it up onto the layboard and tilt fillet. Use the roller to mould into place. Once the back cutter is in place, turn the side edge over on itself to create a 20mm welt. Finish tiling the roof over the flashing. Use an offcut of rapid flashing to create wedges and insert these into the brickwork. Finally, fill the gaps with the rapid flashing sealant. For more details and full fixing instructions, visit redland.co.uk.